To use Robinhood IRA, start by setting up an account on the Robinhood website or mobile app. First, create a Robinhood brokerage account if you do not already have one, and then apply for an IRA account. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your Social Security number and employment status. Once your IRA account is approved, you can fund it by transferring money from your bank account or rolling over funds from an existing retirement account. Robinhood offers both traditional and Roth IRA options, so choose the one that best fits your financial goals and tax situation. After funding your IRA account, you can start investing in a variety of assets, including stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Use the Robinhood platform to browse and select the investments you want to add to your IRA portfolio. You can also set up a diversified portfolio by investing in a range of assets. To manage your IRA account, use the Robinhood app to track your investments, monitor your account balance, and make adjustments as needed. You can also use the app to set up automatic contributions to your IRA account, making it easy to save for retirement. When using Robinhood IRA, it is essential to understand the contribution limits and rules. For example, in a given year, you can contribute up to a certain amount to your IRA account, and you may be eligible for tax deductions on your contributions. Additionally, be aware of the penalties for early withdrawal from your IRA account. To get the most out of your Robinhood IRA, consider setting clear financial goals, such as saving for retirement or a down payment on a house. It is also crucial to educate yourself on investing and retirement planning, and to consider consulting with a financial advisor if needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Robinhood IRA to save for your future and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to always do your research, diversify your portfolio, and make informed investment decisions to maximize your returns and minimize your risk.